Okay, I know some of you are having trouble opening this Google Escape, so I'm going to show you how to do it from my phone. It should be pretty similar on your computer. So here's my Google Classroom. I'm going to go to my classwork. Here's our Math Week 32 folder. And here are the two lessons we're doing. It's the Amusement Park Escape that I'm showing you. I'll click it. I'll open it with Chrome. And the first thing it has me do is put my first and last name and my class, 4B, next. And here is our escape. These are all the questions that you'll have to answer, but this is where you find the actual problems. This picture of the amusement park has 6 different activities in it. You'll have to click around to find them. There's an activity within the swans that are swimming, this clock over here, the ship that's swinging, the roller coaster, the ice cream shop, and the Ferris wheel. So I just clicked on one of them and it opens up this screen, which is exactly what should happen. I'll hit make a copy and it might take a second to load. That's okay, just give it a minute, and here it is. It says solve each expanded notation to find the missing 6-digit number. Well, each of these is going to end up being its own number that you're going to create a larger number with. So let's look at A. It says 2 times 1 plus 2 times 1. Well, we know 2 times 1 is 2, and we'll do that again, 2. So when we add those together, we get 4. So the 4 is going to belong in my ones place of the larger number that I'm trying to make, okay? I'll do B with you as well. 10 times 10 is 100. 3 times 100 is 300. And 2 times 100 is 200. So it tells me I need to add all of those up. So I'm adding 100 plus 300 plus 200, which is 600. So I know I'm going to have a 6 in the hundreds place of the large number that I'm trying to complete here. So once I figure out what this number is, that missing 6-digit number, I'm going to go back to that original document that I was in. So I know I can click down here to find it. So here I am back to my escape with all the problems, and I have to figure out where to type that number. Well, it wasn't a code. It didn't talk about Jacqueline. It didn't have clowns. We're not talking about what has no feet but still runs. I didn't see anything about colors, so it must be what is the 6-digit number. So I'll go ahead and type it in, which of course I don't know what the number is right now. I didn't solve it correctly. And it's red, so that means I need to go back and figure out where I went wrong. If nothing happens and this number stays nice and black here and the bar underneath it, that means I've got it right. See, right now it says remember to find the sum of all the numbers. Well, I didn't do that, so I have the wrong answer. So I need to go back and fix it. So that was just one of the activities. So once I've got one of those, I need to go back. I can click on another activity. Here's the clock. Make a copy. It's loading. And once it's done loading, it'll open up the activity. I'll figure out what the missing word is down here. I'll go back to my answer sheet and I'll figure out, oh, it took me to the wrong one. I'll figure out where I need to put that answer, okay? That one was the what has no feet but still runs. Whatever the answer is, I'll type it here and then I'll move on to the next thing. So once I have all 6 questions done, I am all done and I can click next, okay? If you have any questions, just let me know. We will be doing our Google Meet as usual tomorrow at 11 a.m. with Miss Fullenwider and Mr. Moss. So if you want to hold your questions till then, you can do that too. I'll be there.